right. There's some people out there smack talking on the internet. They have no idea what they're talking about. They think a car with no turbo could be faster than a car with a turbo.
The accent's
but this
really
is real
weird.
life.
The accent's
This is street level.
The accent's really weird.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'm sorry. This is street level. Anyway, so
Oh, he's back.
there's so many people smack talking on the internet, they have no idea what they're talking about. They're like, oh, naturally aspirated cars are faster than turbocharged cars. So we have two cars the same. One car's non-turbo, one car's turbo, and today
We're going to find out. Welcome to another episode of Mighty Car Mods. Today we are going to find out which is better out of this yellow Civic or this green Civic.
which one is better?
What are you doing?
Sorry, I was just counting the money that I earned from a legitimate business that I started. We already know which car is better, which is this green Sexspec show car here. But what we're really here to find out, and what I'm here to prove, is that a turbocharged car with a similar sized engine is always going to be faster than that. So what are we actually playing with today? This here is a EK Civic with a B16A 4-cylinder 1.6 litre engine. It was meant to be a 2-day build. We bought the parts off Facebook Marketplace. It took about 3 months.
It did.
There it is.
This is a 2001, we think, Civic. It's single overhead cam, 1.7 litre.
1.7.
But someone has turbocharged it.
Well, not only that, it's got a casino in the boot.
Well, that too.
It's got all sorts of incredible modifications. And today, I'm going to be showing you why this here is always the best choice, because there is no displacement for a turbocharger.
Replacement.
Now,
Before we get into that though, we're going to take each car for a little drive just to make sure they'll actually make it around the track, well, this one particularly, but also just to tell you a little bit about our awesome Hondas. All right, taking the mad B16 Civic for a drive. The car is looking a little bit more finished, you may have noticed, since the last time we drove it. I have fixed all the inside, fully replaced everything. I actually got a whole nother EK Civic, which I know I should have done a long time ago, and replaced everything. Headlining, lights, door trims, power window conversion, just heaps of stuff that's a bit boring in terms of performance car, but just a nice thing to have with your actual car yourself. And I have to say, it drives really nice. The only thing missing is power steering, which doesn't really matter on a track like this anyway. The heavy steering is actually kind of good, but it sticks nicely. The seats are comfy. I get why people like them. One of the things I love about this car is the visibility. You can see so well. Like, it's got a low waistline on it, so there's lots of glass, and they just feel comfy and solid. And hopefully, a bit of VTEC action. Awesome. It's just fast. It's already going as quick as some of the cars that we drive around here reasonably regularly, and it just loves it. Doesn't have that turbo power, but it does have VTEC, which may be the game changer today in terms of the power adder that makes one of these Civics victorious. There it goes. Yes, VTEC action. Awesome. Really satisfying after working on a car like this for so long to actually use it and drive it around. It's great. Should probably take some of that stuff out of the door trims and make a lot of noise.
all right, this here will be my first time ever driving this car. We did get it going, but it has not yet moved. I think it's got like an auto door lock thing. It's kind of cool. So, before the big race, it's going to go out and it moves. That's cool. All right, let's just go do a little lap, see how it feels. It feels good. It feels really good. Power steering. Oh, listen to that. You can't beat that dose. It sounds so good. I think this is the thing that Marty doesn't quite understand with his car. He's gone a bit all like purity style, but you can't beat a turbocharged car. Anyone out there that's watching, yes, anyone that's out there watching right now that owns a turbocharged car knows exactly what I'm talking about. And right, let's just see if it gets on boost. Yes, okay. Oh man, this is so good. All right, cool. It works. It feels surprisingly, I don't want to say agile because that would be an exaggeration, but it does feel like it kind of floats around confidently, I guess is one way you could put it, and the sound of it. Sounds like a VL Commodore almost. Well, sorry if I've insulted any VL Commodore owners out there. It's so good. It is so good. Now, after doing a lap in my mad green Civic, I am so confident that it's going to win that I'm willing to race for pink slips today, but not in the normal way where I would win the car. If I win, then I will give you Martin's car. That's right, I will give it away to a Mighty Car Mods fan.
And if I win, one of you could own this amazing piece of automotive history.
That's right, so we're gonna run through how we're gonna do that once we actually get to the end. But one of you Mighty Car Mods fans out there is going to end up with one of these cars.
All right, now it's time to race.
I'm never getting rid of this yellow Civic. It was way too much work. Your car's just some crap you bought off Marketplace. It's ugly, there's stuff hanging off it. The turbo doesn't work properly. There's no management. The wheels are crap. Your tyres are a decade old. It's just not gonna happen, dude. It's not gonna happen.
Mate, you're listening to the Civic. Original Civic material. Street level. Burn down your Civic.
Is that it? We're going full geezer? Mate, I'll smash you in this Civic. I'll just destroy you, brother. You got no idea what's coming your way, mate. I'm gonna smash you like a Jamie Oliver smashed Avo, mate. Straight like that. Puree, mate.
I'm gonna smash you like the
Oh my God. Oh, you can't say that.
Say
that. Shut up and
you
get
can
your
call
car.
me if you want. Your car's gonna end up looking like a bag of smash. It's gonna look like the mate, just out of it everywhere, laying down a whole lot of down the road that was left in it by.
Wow. Wow.
I will see at the end, and that car will be gone.
Yeah,
give it a little kiss goodbye, mate.
Cool story, geezer.
That was pretty grot.
That was heaps grot.
So here's the deal, it's 3 laps. First person over this line after 3 laps wins the race. There it is, street level. Are you ready?
All right, Civic. I mean, he's got a Civic too, so saying all right, Civic doesn't really make sense. All right, my Civic, my proper Civic, on this new rubbish, late model Civic rubbish with your fake turbo.
Not a fake turbo, it's a real turbo. It's got a turbo, yours doesn't, that's why we're here. You can count it in anyway, mate.
All right, here we go. Oh no, buggered the launch. Oh, he's moving. It's not as slow as I thought it would be. I'm having to use some VTEC.
I'm in front already, as you can see, and now it's just a matter of holding the line. Listen to that turbocharger.
Do your brakes even work, dude?
I'm about to find out, mate, but I'm just redlining every gear.
Oh, the VTEC. Can you hear my VTEC right in your butthole?
I can, because your car goes boo boo bar, your car goes ting ting ting, but my car goes so so.
Your car does sound good, but I don't. Oh, look, it's moving.
Oh.
Wow.
This is the fastest casino in the country, mate. Oh, the understeer. Get some grip, get some grip.
It does look spectacular. Oh no, got the jump on me because I pulled 5th gear instead of 3rd.
He's not getting past people. I told you. It's all about the turbocharger. It is. Oh!
It's all about the oil smoke that's coming out the back of your car, actually. Oh!
Oh, I'm starting to lose grip savagely.
You never had grip, mate.
Can you actually get past me though or not?
I haven't quite got the overtaking opportunity yet. I'm just trying to draft you. Like I'm trying to use the aerodynamics, because when you've got an NA engine, you need all the help you can get. I'm also just trying to work out how to actually use a gear shifter.
I'm hanging in there, people. 1 lap to go. One of you out there is going to be getting yourself a yellow EK Civic, freshly painted, B16A engine, fully serviced by Mighty Car Mods. And in the next 60 seconds, one of you will know
dickhead! VTEC! See you, dickhead! VTEC power!
What is going on?
Yeah, here we go! Yeah, see you, mate! Disappearing into the revision mirror.
Dude, what's going on?
Dude, I didn't use any VTEC yet. I was leaving it till the last lap. Too soon, Junior! VTEC.
Is there anything on fire, man? Because my car smells like it's on fire.
Probably is. I'm too far away to be worried about that because I have VTEC power.
Were you just playing with me all that time? You were just playing with me.
I was. Well, I was trying to draft you just to get around, but nah, man. This thing is a wet.
Oh, this is it. This is it, it's all over.
Coming up to the finish line, chopping that green Civic. Here we go, VTEC. Yeah, VTEC, listen to it raw. Yeah, and misfire a little bit. Yeah. Something, you never had your car.
I think it's just the tyres, man.
Yeah, I'm sure it's just the
I
tyres.
think it is, like whatever. I think it's just needed some tyres, that's all. It smells like something's on fire, and now when it hits boost, the car just shakes.
Yeah, so you've probably blown the engine.
Well, I don't think so. It still works. It's not making any knocking noises or anything.
It's off.
Yeah, I just listen. It's still fine.
Well, a lot of smoke out the back of it.
Well,
that was a really exhilarating race, mate.
that is not what I was expecting at all.
You got chopped so bad. You got chopped so bad.
I thought we're going to turn this car. We can still do that. We don't have to give it away.
No, that's not happening, dude.
No, because we're going to turn this into a track car. Remember, we're going to strip it out and turn it into a car to race too sexy.
Don't start the excuse book. It's gone.
It's not an excuse, but we can still. People love this car, man. We need to keep it going.
It's gone. It's gone.
I feel like we've been here before.
Thank you. Please exit the vehicle.
Oh.
Thanks, man. You can just drop my car back home and I'll, well, you won't be seeing this. Thanks, mate. Onto the tow truck we go. Whoa, what a nugget. Bye-bye.
Didn't really go how I thought that would go.
You never had VTEC, man, and now you've never had your Civic. I mean, you did for a little while.
I just thought Turbo would win no matter what, you know? Like, I just thought that I had high hopes. It looks like it could do something. It looks good, and
I know.
now the car's getting given away to someone out there.
You were just up against the most purest of purity of Civics, man.
But I wanted to make this Bellissimo pure.
NA. No
My plan
turbos,
for this
no
car
coolers.
was leave it turbocharged, strip the whole thing out, put a cage in it, make it mad, paint it black, and make a proper too sexy competitor. And I know I'm not the only one that wants to see that. There's people out there that want to see that as well. Isn't there?
The silence of the comments is deafening. What people do want is they want to see it saved, but we can't save all of them.
So what's happening now then, mate?
Well, you could win this vehicle. If you're in Australia, you can get the actual vehicle. If you're overseas, you just get some other cool stuff, which we'll get to in a minute. But all you got to do is buy a T-shirt on the Mighty Car Mod shop. If you buy a shirt, you get a chance to win this car.
You'll get a T-shirt no matter what, but you'll go in the running to win this car, which will be delivered to you anywhere in Australia, along with a massive prize pack that we are running through that is going to be most of the stuff that you need to get this thing banging again. So let's run through what one lucky winner is about to receive.
So we have a bunch of sponsors that help support the show, and we hit them up and said, hey, some lucky person in Australia is going to get this car. Can we load it full of mad loot? And they all came to the party in a massive, massive way. So if you win the car, you also get this stuff.
Yes, you get this awesome stuff. Now, the first thing you're going to need is probably some tools to get the car fixed up. So Super Cheap Auto have got a tool kit and a gift card from Tool Pro, and Castrol have given you some oil so you can fill it up before you do some mad hectic skids of your own.
WD-40, we've got spray and stay, your normal WD-40 and the Pro Penetrant. We've got a new set of spark plugs from NGK, and also Garmin have thrown in, I told them to send us a Civic coloured watch So they sent us a bright yellow winning
Yes.
Civic.
Wrong Civic.
It's actually a solar-powered smartwatch, which is pretty awesome, and also a Mad dash cam.
Now, Ryobi, of course, have given a DAC kit. So this is a 3-speed impact wrench kit. We've been using these in the shop for years and years and years, well before Ryobi were sponsors of the show as well. And along with that, there's also a Ryobi pack that's got a bunch of other stuff, so you will get that as well. And a Sentry battery. It's already installed in the car, already ready to go.
And the guys from GFB noticed that there was no blow-off valve. It was making some pretty cool dose noises, but also there is a blow-off valve kit here as well that comes with all the fittings and stuff to make it, well, and a welder, it'll fit one way or another. And also,
This is the
which
big
is
one.
probably the key to actually making this thing as awesome as it possibly can be, finding its full potential, is a Haltech. So that can be spliced into the engine loom and made to work and made to run the engine and made to actually do proper turbo things, map it for boost and have a good time.
And
with
Marty,
some supporting mods.
they've also included that.
Yeah, a whole wiring loom.
You
so
get a
got
whole
full-
loom as well to
full
put that back
flexibility.
together.
You can plug it in, rewire the engine if you want, or plug it in under the dash where it's already been taped up before.
Yeah, you'll also get a Cheryl's mystery box, which is a bunch of mystery loot from us. And lastly, which I think is probably the most exciting, yes, somebody out there, whoever wins this car, will also win the actual outfit that was worn during this video. So you get the car, you can fix it all up, you can wear the stuff and be an absolute boss. Now, you might not want that car, that's cool. Throw it in the bin and you still get all of this stuff anyway, which is cool. But hopefully one of you out there can get it going, or at least have a laugh and then throw it back into the ocean and see what happens.
So I hear you asking, but I'm overseas, I want the car. It's really, really difficult, and we don't want to deal with all the import laws and that sort of stuff. So someone in Australia, someone who buys a shirt in Australia will win this, and someone internationally will win a Mad Mighty Car Mods prize pack that they can go to our website and use.
And it has you'll get $1,000 worth of Mighty Car Mods merch if you're international, plus a one-off poster, a single, just one, which will be autographed. So in Australia, we will draw it in about a week or so. We'll put the information up about that, but by using the official link down below, and if you're international, you can use the same link. There'll be 2 draws, one for international, you'll get the Mad Mighty Car Mods merch and a one-off poster, and Australia, the car and all the stuff. We'd like to say a massive thank you to all the sponsors for giving this stuff to give away. So if you see these brands out there, please support them because they're supporting us, and it's pretty special to be able to modify and play around with nuggety cars and get supported by brands such as these. So thank you very much to all of them. And Martin?
It's been fun with this Civic. I mean, it's not a keeper for us. We've saved a fair share of
It's meant to be a keeper.
well, no, it's not. It's really not. But it's a cool car. Drives really nice. Good luck to whoever wins it, and good luck with fixing it up if you do. I really hope you do manage to fix it up and make it awesome.
Yep.
Because we'll be on to some other projects which you will see soon.
They're not Civics, are they, Martin? But they are
sure.
turbocharged.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
All right. See you soon, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Maybe we need to celebrate with a kebab for the last
Loading all
thing.
this into the boot. What a mad
I would love to win that.
Man,
the thing is, a tow truck is going to turn up at someone's house with that car, and when they crack open the boot, maybe we'll put it on the back seat so it doesn't wreck the casino, all of that stuff will be in there.
Oh, they get the casino.
And the sub, they get
Forgot it had-
everything.
Oh, dude, it's
Freaking awesome. Good luck, everybody.
kebab it up, let's
Good
go.
luck.